Today we are going to look at COUNTIFS function. Now, it's a function in Excel used to count the number of cells that meet multiple criteria within a specified ranges. Now, in business case, this book sales analysis by junior and customer rating here. Now, we need to determine, or for example, we need to count the number of fiction books with a customer rating of 4 or higher. Now, we need to apply this function called COUNTIFS function. Now, we are going to select cell D7. Now, we are entering this function, COUNTIFS. Now, I open this opening parenthesis. Then I will have to select this junior like this, then comma. Now my criteria here is fiction, so I will type fiction. Make sure it is within the double quotes, comma. Now I will select customer rating column like this, comma. Then I'll open another double quote here. Then I will enter greater or equal to 4. Then close with the double quote. Now I'm going to close with the closing parenthesis like that. Okay. Now from there, I'm going to hit enter. So the formula outcome instructs Excel to count the number of cells where the journey is fiction and the customer rating is greater than or equal to 4. Now Excel will calculate the number of books that meet specified criteria and display results in cell D7. Now in cell D7 we have the results here. It's only 1.